Hello everyone, and welcome to Ariana's Food Adventures. This adventure is day 3 of our carnival theme, and I got a fried and classic dish to make. Our funnel cake, of course, because what's carnival without funnel cakes? But let's not waste any more time. Let's get cooking, shall we? Alright, so I got a nice deep pot here. I'm going to fill it with a vegetable oil. I'm just going to fill it about an inch, no more than that, because you don't need a whole lot of oil to fry when you make your funnel cakes. And we're going to bring this to about medium heat, and we're going to bring this temperature to 375. That's like the perfect temperature you want for your funnel cake. Alright, so once you have your little gadget on, just put your funnel in just like that, and we're going to set this aside just for a moment. Alright, so I got a small bowl here, and we're going to combine all of our wet ingredients. For our wet ingredients, first ingredient is a 1/4 cup of whole milk. You definitely want to use whole milk because it's going to make the funnel cake taste that much better, in my opinion. 1 egg. 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Can't have funnel cakes without vanilla extract. It adds a wonderful flavor to it. Alright, just give a tap to the egg yolk just to break it up and just combine our wet ingredients. Alright, we're going to set that aside for just a moment. So in a separate bowl, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Second dry ingredient, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Sprinkle of salt. Just bring all the flavors together. Last dry ingredient going in, tablespoon of granulated sugar. And we're just going to add our dry right into the wet. Give that a stir because we're going to make this into a nice smooth batter. And you don't want any lumps because you don't want a lumpy funnel cake. You want a nice, light, airy funnel cake. So just make sure you get all those lumps out. Alright, and look at that. Nice, smooth batter. Just like that. That's exactly what you want, folks. And you're going to pour your batter right into the funnel. Just like that. Make sure you get all bits of that funnel cake batter because you do not want to leave any behind. Alright, so our oil's got to 375, so it's the perfect temperature. So if you don't have a thermometer like this gadget, I'll show you what you can do. Just take your 1 spoon, stick the back of it, and if it bubbles just like that, you know it is ready and it is hot. So our funnel cake is ready to go, folks. Alright, take your funnel cake batter and just pour it on in like that. There's no right or wrong way of doing it. So if you want to have fun with it, go for it. It's funnel cake. It's meant to be fun. So just a zigzag pattern all around. If you want to do a fun little circle, that's perfectly fine. It's only going to take a few minutes to fry, so just keep a close eye on it, folks. Alright, so look at that funnel cake goodness. You can just give it a little flip just like that. Oh, look at that beautiful golden brown color. That's exactly what you want. Just another couple minutes and it will be ready. Alright, let's take a little peek. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Alright, go and pull your funnel cake on out. Just drain off the excess oil. Put it on a plate lined with paper towel. Alright, so the perfect topping to funnel cakes, in my opinion, is just simply powdered sugar. So just put a nice dusting of powdered sugar. But feel free to top it whatever you want, folks. If you want to do whipped cream and some fruit, whatever tickles your fancy. But to me, powdered sugar is the way to go. And look at that. You have an easy, delicious looking funnel cake. Well, stay tuned because I still got another carnival fried food up my sleeve. But till then, enjoy.